video to the end, let me show you an effective lotion that whitens the skin in 7 days. Beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below, like and follow me. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free. You can also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. You can also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the #1, the champion. Let Mommy Kira ship for you. You can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Our instant white is there, our porcelain, our Halfcast, our snow white is there. Please go to the website and shop. We also sell original branded product on the website, super affordable and original. Guys, go to the website and shop. I love you guys so. Today I have an amazing product that works very well. Guys, like I always say, please watch this video to the end. Let me explain to you guys. You know, when I bump into amazing product, you know, I always come to my YouTube channel to explain and talk about the product for others, to help other people. Guys, I have these 2 amazing baby. Look at, I have these 2 amazing products here with me. Guys, this product is called, look at it, this is called the Parfect Smooth, look at it, the Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion. Look at it, guys. And this one is called the Parfect Smooth White Gold Whitening Lotion. I have both babies here with me. Please watch this video today so that I will explain everything to you guys. This product is wonderful. This baby here is wonderful. You understand me? But guys, just like I said, stick around. Let Mommy Kira explain about this product to you guys. This product has been in the market. You know, I've seen this product and I know it. But you guys know me now. I like using product. Use it, test run it very well before coming to my channel to talk about it. I don't just quickly see a product and just quickly come to my channel to talk about it to my amazing subscribers. I will take my time. You guys know now, Mommy Kira is a proviser. I promise for a living. I see, I bump into a lot of products and I use them. But with this Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion, guys, just watch it. Watch the video to the end so that I will explain both to you guys, okay? This Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion, it contains glutathione 20,000. You understand me, guys? This lotion is amazing. It's super fantastic on the skin. Me, I use this one, and I also, my friend too is using this one. You understand? For those of us that have stubborn skin, you understand me, this works perfectly well, very well for stubborn skin. Even they wrote is strong whitening. And you know why I love this lotion, guys? See, if you open it, see, if you open this lotion, it's a medium thick lotion. It's not a water lotion. It's a medium thick lotion. You understand me? If you use this lotion, this Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion, it can give you 5 shade whitening. 5 shade whitening. Those of us that have stubborn skin, this works for it perfectly well. You understand? If you have dark spot on your skin, dark spot that look like pimples, like acne on the skin, just exfoliate your skin in terms of getting a good scrub. Scrub your skin and use this Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion. This works very well on the skin and it has amazing ingredients. Amazing ingredient. Look at it. There's a lot of amazing ingredients here in terms of, there's glutathione, there's alpha-arbutin, there's vitamin B3, there's a lot of amazing ingredients in here. You understand me? This product is amazing. It's good on the skin. You can't use this Halfcast lotion, this Parfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion, and have white patches, stretch mark. No. This is a very good and effective, safe lotion that is super good on the skin. You understand me? And this one, look at it. This is the Parfect Smooth White Gold Lotion. This is for our amazing sisters that want to lighten their skin. You understand me? That does not want it in a dramatic way, but this lighten the skin. This gives 5 shade lightening. This is amazing. If you have like 2 shade and you want to lighten up more, up down, please get the Parfect Smooth White Gold Whitening Body Lotion. This lotion is amazing. This clear any discoloration. It perfect your skin. You know, some people, they have Coke and Fanta complexion. Their skin, their hand will be dark. Their inner body will be fair. You understand me? Get this Perfect Smooth White Gold Lotion to uniform your skin. It clears dark spot out of the skin. You understand me? It moisturizes the skin. If you have a dry skin, this Perfect Smooth White Gold Lotion will do that. You understand me? To moisturize your skin. It clears all those flakes on your skin. It clears it out. This is amazing. It has amazing ingredient. You understand me? It also have 𝐓𝐷𝐷𝐷 ingredient in here. You understand me? And so on. So amazing. I love this lotion very well. You see, that is why I say let me come and explain to you guys. Also, it has the face cream. This is the Perfect Smooth Whitening face cream. This face cream lightening and whitening the face. It clears dark spots. It clears blemishes out of the face. You understand? It uniform your skin. You get me? If you have acne, you have pimples, you know all those dark pimples on your face, you understand me, that does not want to go, this will clear it. See, you can see I'm using it. You can see it. It's super effective. Very, 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 very mild and effective. You understand? You that you have dark circle under your eyes, you understand? Perfect Smooth Whitening face cream will clear it out. It will give your face this sweetness. And you that you also have redness on your face, this Perfect Smooth Whitening face cream will clear it. You understand me? That's why I say it's very mild but super effective. When you start using it, 7 days, you get your result. What you really want, you will get it. And this is the Perfect Smooth. Look at it. This is a complete combo, guys. This is a complete combo. This is the Perfect Smooth Whitening black soap. This soap is pro. See, you can pair this black soap with any of your skincare products and it will come out well. You understand? Let me show you how it looks. Look at it. Very rich in texture. Very, very super rich in texture. You understand me? You that you don't want to use too much, you don't even need to stress yourself. Get the Perfect Smooth Whitening black soap. This black soap is pro. It works very well. Even though you have a very good lotion, you understand me, and you're looking for a very good soap to pair it, go and get the Perfect Smooth Whitening black soap. This soap is the #1, the champion. It's super effective. You that you have dark spot on your skin, you that you have blemishes, you that you have cock and Fanta color, you understand me? You that you have dryness on your skin, this Perfect Smooth Whitening black soap will moisturize and clear your skin and nourish it. This product works very, very well. You understand me? This is the black soap. You understand? This is the Perfect Smooth Whitening black soap, and this is the Perfect Smooth Whitening face cream. Okay, this is the Perfect Smooth White Gold Whitening lotion. This lotion, they give me joy. You understand? You use it, no stretch mark, no white dot, no hyperpigmentation on your skin. Never. Your skin will be so clean. For those of you that you have a stubborn skin, because a lot of you will say, Mommy Kira, my skin cream, they work for my skin. You understand me? That is, you will get the Perfect Smooth Halfcast Whitening Lotion, 20,000 glutathione injection in here. Use this one if you have your skin day tough. You understand? You very, very tough. Use this one. 5 shade whitening. You understand me? Why this Perfect Smooth White Lotion, White Gold Lotion? You understand me? This is for our lightning auntie that want to white. And why I love this product is super affordable, super luxury. You understand me? In a very affordable and luxury price. You get me? You that you just want 5 shade lighter, get this. The Perfect Smooth White Gold Lotion. Get this. But for those of us that have tough skin, hey, our skin cream no dey quick work for, please get this one. The Perfect Smooth Halfcast Glutathione Lotion. Guys, you guys know Mommy Kira. I give you guys good and amazing and effective updates. You understand me? Very effective products and effective updates that will give you guys your skin amazing skincare complexion. No stretch mark, no green vein, no white patches, no white dots. If you use this product, your skin will be so smooth, so nourished, so moisturized. No green vein, nothing of such. Try it out and thank Mommy Kira. Okay, I'll be dropping the distributor number on the screen so that you can buy directly. You can also enter into the market and buy. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. You know, most good product people will not tell you. You understand me? Most good product people will not tell you. People will not. Those one that is not working, you will see everybody talking about it. Start making noise. But product where they work, you will see most people they're not talking about it because they have your vendor is at the corner using it to repackage it and give it out. Screenshot this, give it to your vendor. Screenshot this, give it to your vendor. Look at, okay, let me put the name. Yes, screenshot it, guys. Screenshot it, give it to your vendor. Let them buy. Give it to your vendor, let them buy and sell to you. I look at the number on the screen. Okay, contact them, buy. You can go to the market, you will see it. Super effective, very, very good. Okay, this is the Perfect Smooth Whitening Black Soap. Look at it, the black soap. Look at it. This is 500 ml in size, very big. This is 500 ml in size. The lotion comes in 500 ml. Okay, why the soap also, look at it, it comes in 500 ml. Look at the face cream, super effective. Use this face cream and thank mommy. 7 days you will see results on the lotion. 7 days, you will thank mommy Kira. I love you guys so much. Please go and get your Perfect Smooth whitening lotion. The Halfcast, look at the Halfcast of it, and this is the gold of it. Okay, look at it, Perfect Smooth whitening Halfcast lotion. Okay, you can get the Perfect Smooth white gold whitening lotion. Also get it and thank mommy Kira later. I love you guys so much. Look at the face cream. Oh, look at the face cream. Use it. You can buy the set and thank mommy Kira later. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. Please like and share this video. Like and share this video to your loved ones. Tell them how amazing this product is. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.